Primero, gracias por estar aquí. Para mí es muy bien oportunidad to ayuda to help the team in a moment when they need a player like myself. And also for me, it was a great opportunity to reestablish myself in the ACB after a so-so year in Malaga last year. So it was a great opportunity for me to come here to help Zaragoza, as well for Zaragoza to help me. Well, right now we stand at, I believe, 4 and 5 in the league. And after a good start with 2 wins at home was a great start, and the last few games were kind of little difficult losses. But I see the way is still going in a good way. Obviously, it's still early in the season with a lot of opportunities left ahead of us to be able to reach some good goals in the ACB. And I see the team improving every day. Players continue to grow or learning and listening to the coach. And since I've gotten here, they've really helped me to integrate me into the team and to make me feel comfortable here with them. For me, I just prefer to play, you know. I just want to play. If it's the 4 or the 5, I just want to be on the court with my teammates, be able to help them. I think it's to be able to have the quality to play both the 4 and the 5 is a great quality to have. And I feel that I have that quality that to be able to play both. I think it all depends on the team that you're playing, what type of style that you're trying to attack or how you're defending. But for me, I'm comfortable at either the 4 and the 5. I just want to be on the court and be able to play. Obviously, I think they're doing a great job with Henderson. He's a monster inside. He's very big with great hands, great touch. He's doing a great job thus far. He did a great job against Betis last game with rolling and playing good defense. He's got to stay out of some foul trouble, but he's doing a great job. And also with Dino, I think he has an amazing quality to play 2 positions as well, to be able to play the 3 and the 4, and he's doing a great job. Yeah, I felt they received me well from the feeling that I got. Obviously, I think they see that I'm trying and want to be here. I think they also may understand that I'm not in the best rhythm or in the best just physical shape that I can be. I think for myself, I can be honest with myself as well and understand that. The league that I was playing in before here is a different level than the ACB. So it's something that is going to take time to adjust to, but I feel the crowd was well, and it's really a nice feeling to be in a gym with a crowd that is passionate and wants to support their team.